Hey everyone, welcome back to Pinned on Places. Today we are visiting Wiston Castle as part of our South Wales walking tours. Join us as we adventure around and discover a small, lesser known moat and bailey castle in the Pembrokeshire village. A few facts about Wiston. It's a great example of a moat and bailey castle because it is only one of 6 to have kept a stone shell keep on its summit. The castle keep is situated on a high hill around 40 feet high and surrounded by a deep ditch with an adjoining bailey. The shell keep was built in the late 12th or early 13th century, but now only the lowest level remains standing at around 10 feet high. The castle was twice captured by the Welsh in 1147 and in 1193, but each time was taken back into English control. Both the town of Wiston and the castle were badly damaged in 1220, and it's not known if the castle was rebuilt after this time. Later on, it was replaced by a new residence of an old manor house that was rebuilt in the 18th century next to the castle moat. The castle was founded in the early 12th century by Wiston, a Flemish mercenary. Most of his whereabouts and his origins are unclear, but he is linked to Queen Matilda, who was the Flemish wife of William the Conqueror. It is said that he was granted land in Pembrokeshire, southwest Wales, by the Anglo-Norman king Henry I, who had previously wrested control of the land from its previous owner in a dispute. It was originally built from earth and timber, and also earth ramparts that exist since the Iron Age. Many rebuilds later, in 1220, wooden fortifications of the moat were reconstructed into a 16-sided stone wall, which is the shell keep. It closed an inner courtyard with a semicircular gate portal on the south side. And on either side of this you'll see drawbar holes, which would have been used to secure the gate. Some of the external buildings remain as damaged rubble ruins, but it is difficult to make out just exactly what room is what, but it's also great to think about. There are roughly about 50 steps leading up to the castle keep. It is free to enter and open at all reasonable times. Another added bonus was the lovely cows that roam freely around the site. It's funny how curious they were of us walking their land, but it made the trip memorable. It is worth visiting if you are en route towards Picton Castle or even Haverfordwest Priory. We visited Clougharden Castle after Wiston, so keep checking back to watch our latest video and keep an eye on our Instagram page for more updates. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed today's walking tour, and we can't wait to share our adventures with you soon. Till next time.